Hi, I'm Craig Jones, Performance DIY, formerly Epoxy Coat, and Rosa Correa.
Hi.
And we're here to show you a touch-up kit. And it's a pretty simple do-it-yourself kit. If you have any touch-ups, you simply take the band off and open it up, and inside are all the contents you need for touching up your floor. You have your gray base resin, part A, and your activator, part B. You have a beaker for measuring. The measurement by volume is 2.3 parts of A to 1 part of B by volume. So you can make any size patch touch-up you want. And this product is a really, if you seal it back up, it'll last many years and just store it in a climate-controlled area. You have your mixing stick and your brush. And so this is your mixing bucket. You pour your part B, and then you pour your part A in it and mix it up for 3 minutes before using it thoroughly.
I have to mention that if you have that garage done and you did it like 6 years ago or 7, and you have just a little corner to touch up, it looks like the rest of your garage. So it's a great product.
Yes, and especially with the Better Plus and the Certified Plus, it has a very UV stable polyaspartic top coat, so it doesn't amber, and it's easier to touch up a non-ambering floor. So that's one of the reasons we always recommend the Plus systems, the Better Plus or the Certified Plus. And so this is a fantastic product. We appreciate your patronage. I'm Craig Jones,
Rosa Correa,
with Performance DIY. Please come to our website for a variety of fantastic products. Thank you.